From the providers, RICNOD is the MTC L01. It is a 350-pound, 5-position Chaise chair, poolside by the beach. It is a heavy chair, 2-person to lift, and some installation is required. What we're going to do is set it up inside, show you in the backyard what it looks like. Do check online for the makes and models, colors, and designs the company offers. As we open up the box, to show you how nicely things are packaged, this chair comes in white, and we need some assembly. This is realistic wood-like finish, as you can see the product on both sides. Skipped over the grain poly lumber with recycled polyurethane. It's chip-free, rot-free, and more. For further information about the product, please do check online. We have everything all laid out here, and we're going to be building the chair. We have the screws, hardware, tools, and an instruction guide. We have a sanding block for repairing. The components, hardwares, and tools needed. Laid out correctly, we have an arm, 3 crossbars, and the leg. Carefully lift up. Place 2 of the 8 bolts onto the area and lock down. With the optional drill and bit, lock into place. Repeat for the others. Place on the arm, secure into place with 3 bolts, and lock down. With the legs, remaining 3 bolts, lock into place. Do not over tighten until the other side is on. Put the last one on and secure it down. Lift and rotate and secure the other half. Remaining 8 bolts, place on and secure down. With the arm, place on and secure down with the remaining bolts. And secure into place. Tighten the other side as well, and tighten the bottom 3. With 2 bolts, 2 washers and nuts, and the backing, slide into place, push in the bolts, washer and nut underneath. With an open end wrench, optional, lock into place. The opposite side. With the bar, arm, the wideness on the outside, lock 1 down, secure on, place the bar in, opposite end, place on, and lock down the last bar. Adjusting and locking into place. Your lounge chair is now complete. The Chaise chair is fully built. It's a nice profile, low arms to the floor, beachside, poolside, backyard. It is a white Chaise chair with nice wide arms. I stand and lay 6 feet tall. And in order to move the chair, simply get up without the arms in the way. We're able to be at the highest level of the chair and sitting down. In order to lower the chair down in full height, simply grab the arm, lift away, and go down to the very bottom height, securing into place to lay flat down, as shown. This is your Chaise chair. Comfortable, arms for a wide person. For your beach needs, your poolside, patio side, backyards, and more. Your lounge chair has a handle so you can grab, lower, put into place. I hope you enjoy your Chaise chair. It weighs at 65 pounds, the full chair. Easy to grab and move where you need to be placing your chair. Enjoy your chair if this is what you are after. Thank you for viewing.